Hi, this is SabaRiaz. In this video, I am doing especially a bright and colorful look for Valentine's Day. Here I am using Cera V Hydrating Sunscreen as moisturizer. It's got SPF 30. Don't forget to wear SPF when you are going out in the sun. Here I am using Luscious Cosmetics Angel Eye Primer. It looks natural over the eyes. Applying it with brush to conceal the whole eye area. I'm gonna use Mercier loose translucent powder for the whole look where I need to powder set. Dusting some loose powder to set eye base. Now shaping my eyebrows with my regular technique. I have elaborated this technique quite a few times in my previous videos. You can check them out as well. For the eye look, I am using this colorful palette from the Rivage Cosmetics, named Beauty Beats 32 color palette. It has awesome collection of beautiful colors. I pick up matte pink eyeshadow for crease and transition shades. It's pigmented and blending very easily. Using Tarte Shape Tape Concealer as eyeshadow base. Applying it at the center of the lid. Now I pick up shimmer green shade and applying to both sides of the concealer base. Now applying matte pink eyeshadow on the inner corner and the outer corner of the lid. Applying golden eyeshadow at the center. Blending and building intensity with finger. Highlighting inner corner of the eyes and the brow bone. I am using my favorite highlighter palette from Makeup Revolution. Time for eyeliner application with my favorite Focolor eyeliner pen. First I am applying along the lash line, then I will create a small wing. This is L'Oreal's Kohl eye pencil. I'm gonna be tightlining with this pencil. Tightlining is a technique to apply eye pencil to the upper waterline. This technique makes the lash line to look darker naturally. I am wiping out the eyeshadow fallout. You can moisturize again after wiping. To blur my pores and fine lines, I am using Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. Now this is MAC Studio Fix Fluid Foundation, very famous foundation of all time. It has medium to buildable coverage, easy to blend and gives matte finish. It smells like paint that I don't like. I am giving a little coverage just to even out the skin tone. By the way, I am NC20 shade of this foundation. Here I am using two concealers from Tarte Cosmetics. One is Tarte Shape Tape Contour Concealer and another is Tarte Creaseless Concealer. I am mixing both to conceal my under eye area. Less is more in terms of under eye concealing to prevent creasing and cakiness. This is Makeup Revolution's Cream Contour Palette. Applying just below the cheekbone, around the forehead to make it less wider, below the jawline to make it look more sharper, and to hide the double chin. Contouring my bulbous nose to look more pointy, hiding crook part with dark contour shade. Doing a little blending with finger. Applying some setting spray to make the foundation last longer, and dabbing with blender. Applying some loose powder overall. I am applying powder contour over my cream contour. The powder contour will set cream contour and will make it look more intense. This is powder blush from Freedom Cosmetics, shade Lethal Weapon. Applying just above the contour and apple of cheek. Time to highlight. This lip pencil is from locally available brand Color Institute. Very creamy pencil, glides on smoothly. This time I am not applying lipstick over it. Instead I am applying lip and cheek tint from Luscious Cosmetics Blush Crush. Applying it with lip brush. See how fresh it is looking. Mascara from Emilie Cosmetics. Applying it in wiggly motion. Lashes are also from locally available brand. See how I am applying the lashes. It's really easy. You just need practice. It's all done now. How about this finished look? Would you prefer to try this makeup look for this Valentine's Day? Do let me know in the comment section down below. You can find the product list in the description box down below. I am waiting for your love and support. Love is universal and spread love everywhere. Do take very good care of yourselves. Bye.